आदित्यः सविता सूर्यः खगः भूषागभस्तिमान् सुवर्णसदृशो भानुर्विश्वरेता दिवाकरः।
गच्छामि कराभाय हरये विश्वकर्मणे नमस्तमो विघ्नाय तुझये लोकसाक्षिणे। जयाय जय भद्राय हर्षवाय नमो नमः। नमो नमः सहस्रांश आदित्याय नमो नमः। आदित्याय नमो नमः।
Principal Sir, learned colleagues and my dear students. Today we have gathered here to celebrate GRASM at the rate 75. And on the occasion of this, we have organized a small quiz. And really it was an inspiring journey of a person with a vision, statement and passion and speed. So let's take a small tour through the quiz of his journey. The first round will be open to all. Second round will be class-wise and section-wise. First I will ask 6A, then I will ask the question to 6B. Gradually it will go on. And for each correct response, you are going to get a token of appreciation in the form of a chocolate. Mr. Sanjay Kumar will keep the record of the correct answers. So, are you ready? Yes, sir. I can't hear. Speak out loudly. Yes, sir. Now it's done. Are based on local unit, that is the unit of RELA. The first question, GRASM Industries Limited, Chemical Division RELA, was formerly known as during 1980s. Your options are Aditya Birla Chemicals Limited, Bharat Cooking Coal Limited, BCCL, Bihar Caustic and Chemicals Limited, D. Caustic Soda Plant. It is open to all.
Caustic soda.
Yes, first of all you tell your name, then class and section, then tell the answer.
Shreya Pathak, class 8 said caustic soda.
I'm sorry, it's wrong. It is over. It is over.
The BCCL.
Start.
The Bihar Caustic.
It is absolutely right. It is Bihar Caustic and Chemicals Limited. Division RELA, formerly known as Bihar Caustic and Chemicals Limited, was founded in which year? Your options are A. 1970, B. 1976, C. 1974, D. 1972. First tell your name, class, then answer.
My name is Anjali Kumari from class 9A and the answer is 1974.
No.
Please repeat option.
Option A 1970, option B 1976, option C 1974 and D 1972.
1972.
No, sorry. The answer is, it's all over. Two responses there. Please let me answer. It is 1976. Now the third question open to all. Grasim Industries Limited Chemical Division Rela, formerly known as Bihar Caustic and Chemicals Limited, was founded and co-promoted by Aditya Birla Group of Companies, and next party is, which is the next party? It was a joint venture between Bihar Aditya Birla Group and which party? You need the options? Option A, Jharkhand State Industrial Development Corporation, Chota Nagpur Industrial Development Corporation, UP Industrial State Development Corporation, Bihar State Industrial Development Corporation. The first response.
My name is Rani from class 60. The answer D.
Yes, the answer D, Bihar State Industrial Development Corporation. Now the fourth question. Please keep silence, boys. Commercial production was started in which year at Grasim Industries Rela Chemical Division Rela? Bihar Caustic and Chemicals, formerly it was known as. Option in the year 1984, B 1981, C 1982, D 1980.
So 1984.
Please tell your name.
Sandhya from 80.
Yes, it is correct answer, 1984, and it was inaugurated by then Prime Minister late Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and at that time the chairman of Aditya Birla Group, late Shri Aditya Vikram Birla ji, was present on this occasion. Now fifth question. What was the production capacity of this plant, GRCD Rela, in initial stage? Options A, 50 TPD, that is ton per day, 100 ton per day, B, C, 200 ton per day, D, 150 ton per day. At initial stage,
Sir, it will be 50 ton per day.
50 ton per day is not the correct response.
200 ton per day.
Sorry, it's over. Let me answer. Let me answer. Two responses there. The correct answer at the initial stage, the production capacity of hydrochloric acid and liquid chlorine was 100 TPD, ton per day. Name of the company was changed from Bihar Caustic and Chemicals Limited to Aditya Birla Chemicals India Limited Rela in which year? So I'm not giving the answer. Can you answer? Without option, let them answer. Two response I'm saying.
In the year 1980.
Sorry,
In year 2017.
wrong.
In the year 1984.
So let me answer. Is there any more answer? Options? Sir is saying to tell the answer. Sorry, option. Option A, 2009. Option B, 2007. Option C, 2008. And D, 2010. Sorry.
Sir, year 2009.
It is absolutely right.
Sir, Nidhi Dubey from class 8.
Okay, thank you. Now the seventh question, open to all. As the manufacturing process is highly power intensive, power accounts for 65% of its cost of production. The company commissioned its own captive power plant in January 2001. What was the production output or capacity of the first unit of the power plant? Options are A, 60 MV. The full form of MV is medium voltage. B, 31 MV. C, 35 MV. D, 30 MV. Sir, from the boys' side, please.
35.
Sorry.
31.
Two response from the boys' side. Both the options are wrong.
Sir, 31.
Sorry. Let me answer. Three response are got. The correct answer is 30 MV.
Yahavi Maheshwari from 9C.
It is wrong option.
2014.
Yes, it is the correct option, 2014. And it was commissioned in the month of March 2014.
Trisha Chaubey.
Class and section.
8th.
Yes. Now the ninth question. In the year 2003, the company became subsidiary of Bezos Hindalco Industries Limited. Further, mercury cell process plant was replaced with environment-friendly, state-of-art wedge technology, leading the production to 225 ppd capacity in February 2006. What is the technology that was implemented in the year 2006? And in this question, I'm not going to give a single option. You have to tell the technology that was environment friendly.
Anyone now?
In this question, I don't have to fill out the options. Please tell your name and class.
Vishal Kumar, class 8B.
Okay. The last question of open to all. In which year aluminum chloride plant was commissioned? In your back side. When you see in the back side, it is aluminum chloride plant. Right? Can you see the plant? Now tell me on which year it was commissioned.
2017.
Sorry.
2018.
Sorry.
2016.
Sorry.
2017.
Sorry.
Sir, 2018.
Sorry.
2019.
Sorry.
2019.
Sorry.
2014.
Sorry, I am going very closer to the chocolate.
Sir,
So I will keep the chocolate.
2015.
Sorry, let me answer.
2020.
Let me answer. It was. Please keep silence. Please let me answer. It is in the year 2007 with a capacity of 12,000 TPA, that is ton per annum. Now the questions will be, please, girls, please. Now the questions will be class-wise, right? The first question I'm going to ask to 6A. Is it clear? Here goes your question. Fourth. Who is the chairman of Grasim Industries Limited? Options are, please listen the option. Mr. G.D. Birla, Mr. Aditya Vikram Birla, Mr. B.K. Birla, Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla.
Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla.
Tell your name, class.
Rohan Tiwari, class 6.
ये बोल चुकी है पहले.
On which date, this is the question for class 6B, on which date Grasim was incorporated, that is established? Your options are 6B.
25 August 1947.
Yes, it is the correct answer.
Prakash Shukla.
But at least you have gone through the banner very carefully. That was the mission.
Prakash Shukla from class 6B.
Thank you. So, Prakash Shukla,
6B.
6B.
6B का ही क्वेश्चन था.
So at least it is the correct response, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh.
Harshita Yadav 17.
Thank you.
Harshita Yadav 17.
Now the next question for 7B. Please keep silence and keep your spirits in answering the question. What is the full form of Grasim? Your options are Gwalior Rubber and Sole Manufacturing, Gradual Roll Sole Market, Gwalior Reflection and Silk Manufacturing, and the last option, Gwalior Rayon and Silk Manufacturing and Weaving Company.
B.
C. You are right. It is correct answer. Please tell your name and class.
Vibhushi Gupta 7B.
It is Gwalior Rayon and Silk Manufacturing and Weaving Company. Where are you? Yes. How many days after India's independence? Listen, how many days after India's independence Grasim was incorporated? How many days after India's independence? Yes? Tell your name. Yes, you are right. Some questions are from the banner so that you can read out. The mission and vision should be very clear. So that's why the banner has been put in the backside background so that you can read out, memorize it through the years and cherish it. Now the next question for the 9th B. Grasim Industries Limited was incorporated on August 25, 1947. My question is, in which year the company started its production from Gwalior? In which year the company started its production from Gwalior? Let me read out the options. Option A 1947, option B 1950, option C 1949 and option D 1948. 9th B.
1948.
Sorry,
1949.
only two options, one from the boys.
So 1949.
1949 for the girls. It was the response from the girls.
Yes, sir.
So it is over. Both the options and responses are wrong. The correct is in the year 1950 they have started the production from Nagda. Now the question from 9C. 9C, are you ready? Some other class students are responding, yes sir. I want the clear voice of 9C. Are you ready? Girls are not responding. Are you ready? 50. The company Grasim started its production at Gwalior. with imported man-made rayon. What was the product? Options. You have to name the product. What was the product? Option A, cement. Option B, fiber. Option C, chemicals. Option D, fabrics.
And fabric.
Your name?
I picked Dubai.
It is the right option. Fabric. Now the question for 11th A. Where is 11th A? In which year the commercial production at Nagda in Madhya Pradesh? In which year they commenced the production at Nagda in Madhya Pradesh? Option 1954, 1947, 1953, 1964.
Option A 1954.
1954 is the correct response.
Ashar Zama 11th A. Ashar Zama 11th A.
It is okay. 54, they commenced VSF production at Nagda in Madhya Pradesh. What is the full form of VSF?
Oh my God!
What is the full form of VSF?
Vijay sir.
Tell the full form. VSF. No other class. The question I'm not going to pass to other class. Yeah, it is the correct option. Viscose staple fiber. Now we are moving to the third round. So I'm going to ask the question from 6A.
6A.
6B. Your question is, Grasim is a leading global producer of. Grasim is a leading global producer of chloralkali, linen, insulators, viscose staple fiber. Yes, 6B.
Fluorine.
Sorry, it's wrong response.
Insulator.
Wrong. Let me answer. Two responses I've got. No. The right answer, the right response is viscose staple fiber. In this question, you have to give true or false. Grasim has its chemical business. Is the statement true or false? 7A. Right. Tell your name. 7A. Grasim has announced foray main star campaign in which business? Fine chemicals, financial service, paint means decorative, retail consumer goods. Which option is correct?
A. Fine.
Sorry. Only two responses will be.
Sir, option B.
Only two options. Option B, it is wrong. The correct option is paint, decorative paints. They are going to start the new paint plant at Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. Option A, VSF, cement, sponge iron, chemicals, agrochemicals. A option. B, fiber, power, medicine. C, coal, heavy engineering. D, chemicals, finance and property. 8A.
Option A.
Option A.
Option A.
At a time, two responses are coming from the boys' side and the girls' side. She had answered first. What is the name?
Shreya Pathak 8A.
Shreya Pathak. It is the correct answer. Best course triple fiber, cement, sponge iron of employees working with Grasim. What is the total number of employees working with Grasim? Option A, 25,000 plus. Option B, 24,000 plus. Option C, 23,000 plus. Option D, 22,000 plus.
23,000 plus.
Sorry, wrong response.
Sir, 24,000 plus.
24,000 plus. It is the correct response. Tell your name, class and section.
Vishal Kumar 8B.
Now the question for 9th A. Question for 9th A. What is the total number of shareholders of Grasim? Option A, 2,30,000 plus, 2,50,000 plus, 2,31,000 plus, D, 2,29,000 plus.
2,30,000 plus.
Absolutely right. Tell your name.
Shivam Raj Pandey, class 9th.
Thank you. Now the question goes to 9B. This is your question. What inspired Mr. G.D. Birla to set up or establish a manufacturing center for man-made fibers to supplement the textile fiber availability for clothing? Your options: shortage of thread, shortage of cotton, shortage of manufacturing unit, shortage of textile industry. Which option is right?
Shortage of manufacturing unit.
Sorry.
Option D.
Sorry, let me answer. Shortage of cotton inspired him to set up man-made for the man-made fiber.
Good morning, children, teachers and principal. All teachers and principal also, good morning from my side. It was real fun seeing all of you interact like this. बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम सब अपना बर्थडे घरों में मनाते हैं, तो ये हमारा कंपनी जिसका हम हिस्सा हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स उसके हिस्सा हैं, उसका 75th बर्थडे है. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों का एनर्जी देख के, आप लोगों का इंफॉर्मेशन देख के, और ये भी पता लगा कि हम कितना बेकार में गैस मार मार के आंसर निकालते हैं. ओके, तो ऐसे ही प्रोत्साहन बनाए रखिए. और आपको मालूम है आगे भी कुछ फंक्शंस हैं. आज आप लोगों का एक रैली भी है, तो आज का तो सारे पीरियड्स में से आप लोगों को छुट्टी मिल गई ना. तो वेरी नाइस. रैली में भी एंजॉय कीजिएगा. और आखिर में प्रिंसिपल सर ने कुछ नाश्ता रखा है, तो वो भी एंजॉय कीजिएगा. और बच्चों ये एक बर्थडे पार्टी की तरह एंजॉय करना है, ठीक है? खूब मस्ती कीजिए, खूब मजे कीजिए. God bless you. Enjoy the day. Thank you.
Our principal sir to come over the stage for the distribution of the chocolates to the winners. So please.
The level of your energy and the way you responded, you prepared for the quiz, shows that you belong to this group, Aditya Birla group, and keep this tempo high. And wherever we are working, we must understand and we must know the history of whether a school of the or the company And that's why the purpose of organizing this quiz, that many of you have come prepared, and in future also, whenever we organize any event, preparation is must. So you have come to know many things, and the history of the company, 75 years working, and day by day increasing the field, chemical business, fiber business, now to paints. It shows that we have converted our challenges to opportunities, and it all depends on our leadership. So let us put our hands together, children, for the leadership for the company. Thank you.
Now I will call the students one by one.
Sir, he has answered 2 questions, sir.
Answer 2 questions.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sir.
One chocolate for the quiz master.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
आपने भी बहुत सारे सही सवाल जवाब दिए थे तो
Thank you, sir.
You also answered, na? So let me hold the mail. He has also answered. One question.
for managing